Hey everyone, down at the river. I didn't expect to come out fishing, but I did. No GoPro, all I got is my iPhone on the tripod. Getting hit big time on this pole so far. I've seen turtle, short-nosed gar, and probably more turtle. So I'm going to try to do what I can with the iPhone, but not going to see nothing major, I guess. So let's see what we can get. Got my lure from last weekend. Cool. Looks like I got a turtle. Yep. Ah, I got a rock. I caught a rock. Question. How do you pull in a big rock like this? My God. Oh, he's hooked good. That's the first. My God, that's like a 4-pound rock. What the hell? Could have sworn that was a turtle. Oh, this is a fish. Oh my God, this is a fish. There we go. 4.22 pound catfish. She's pretty beat up. She's spawning, because of her colors. She's got some nasty bumps on the belly. So let's get her back in. All right, new personal best, 4.22. Cut bait. Speechless. Well, we got two personal bests today. Got a new personal best for a channel catfish, 4.22 pounds. And then I got that personal best for the river rock. I'm estimating 4 pounds. I like the bag of sugar. All right, well, just about had a turtle up on the bank too, but that don't count. Well, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to my channel, because it's pretty adventurous sometimes, hit that subscribe button. Tight lines, everyone.